In this video, I'll show you how to find Asus model name and number. So there are two ways for you to know your Asus model name and number. First, you can go ahead and check the sticker label. So turn off your device and then flip it over. Look for a sticker or label on the back or underside of your laptop or desktop, and the model name and number should be printed on this label. Another way you can use is through the use of system information and Windows. So press WinR and then enter MSInfo32 and hit on the enter button. So this will pop on your screen, and in here you'll find the system model, which is your Asus model name and number. And that's basically how you can find Asus model name and number. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.